Live. When I was a child in Les Cayes, Haiti, every Sunday, next door to 57 Rue Prosper 4, Father Ledance played African music from the voice of America. I closed my eyes and prayed, Lord, one day let me see Africa. I never imagined I would not only discover Africa, I would discover family. God had already written another chapter by marrying a beautiful woman with a wonderful heart from Yaoundé, Cameroon. He quietly made me a son of Africa. Today my heart dances with Burkina Faso, the land of honest people, where courage walks beside kindness, where farmers, artisans, teachers, musicians, and storytellers build tomorrow with their own hands. Your hospitality welcomes strangers like family. Your resilience inspires the world. Hey, to every Burkinabe across the world, close your eyes, hear the market vendors, children laughing in the streets. Beneath the baobab, stories shared around the evening fire. The aroma of fresh dough. Suddenly, you're no longer in Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, France, Italy, Belgium, Canada, the United States, or Germany. You're already in Burkina Faso. Tim, that life. Burkina forever. Land of honest people, your name lives inside our hearts. For those still at home and those watching Africa's sunrise from far away, Heavenly Father, grant me great health and strength to share the Konpa of my childhood with Burkina Faso and all 54 nations of Africa, because our rhythms have always shared one heartbeat. Burkina forever. I love you. I brought Konpa in my soul and discovered another heartbeat. Warba, Biwaga, Jongo, the singing balafon, the spirit of Monday traditions, different melodies, one African family. Ouagadougou, where our dreams begin. Bobo Dioulasso, where the balafon sing. Banfora, where the waterfalls smile. Kaya, where brave hearts stand. Kudugu, where tomorrow grows. Wahiguya, where hope rides the Seul wind. Fadangoma, where traditions shine. Dori, beneath the endless sky, the Sindo peaks still stand proud. Kafigela Falls still sing. Every city has a melody. Every village keeps a memory. Every Burkinabe carries home inside their heart. From Ouaga to Dori, from Banfora to Fada. One heart, one people, Burkina Faso forever. Across Burkina Faso, many young hearts dream of standing taller tomorrow. I've seen people online speak in the name of His Excellency Captain Ibrahim Traoré. Black, white, Asian, Arab people from every continent sharing conversations about Burkina Faso. Many people see Captain Ibrahim Traoré as a symbol of dignity, self-confidence, sovereignty, and belief in Africa can shape its own future. Captain Ibrahim Traoré, from what I've witnessed around the world, when people who have never met you, never lived in your country, take time to celebrate your leadership, that is remarkable. So today, I simply send my congratulations. May God continue to give you wisdom. May He bless Burkina Faso. May every leader today and tomorrow serve with humility, peace, justice, and love, because the greatest treasure of Burkina Faso has always been its people. This song is for those at home, for those longing to return, for parents waiting, for children growing far from their roots. Lord, give me health and strength to carry the Konpa of my childhood across all 54 nations. of Africa. Because Haiti and Burkina Faso share one history, one rhythm, one hope, one African heartbeat. Burkina forever, Burkina forever. Tim, that life. Burkina forever. As a little boy, I dreamed of hearing Africa's guitars. Today, God allowed me to hear them, to live them. Now it's my turn to share the Konpa of Tim that life. Every village has a song, every family has a story. Every creator deserves to be heard. If your heart has a melody, share it with the world at Tim.life. Burkina forever. I love you.